Hello and welcome to a follow-up of the ENCMP 100 software installation video. In this video, we will cover what you need to do to get your code ready for marking and how to share it with a TA. We'll start off in Matlab here. For a Hello World project, technically the only thing you need is this one line. This one line will fully satisfy the requirements for the project, but it is not yet ready for marking. If I, for example, pulled up this code that I wrote, you would have almost no idea what it does. So to make up for that, we're going to add comments. In Matlab, anything written after a %sign will not be treated as code, so we can make comments about everything. For example, we can write that the fprintf function will print a string, and maybe mention that \n is the new line character. Now we should also add a header. A good header will describe what the purpose of the file is, who created it, when, and any additional resources or help the person who created it used. If you don't want to use a %sign for every line in the header, you can use a comment block by using a %sign and a bracket, followed by a %sign and a closing bracket on a new line. Now everything you type in between the brackets will be considered a comment. Any help you received in the assignment should be documented in the acknowledgement section. Not doing so when you received help from another student or online source may be considered plagiarism. If you used an online source, simply state what you used from it and link the website. And if you received help from another person, you can simply mention them by name. Like so. So now we have a header and comments to describe what our code does and our general thought process. We're ready to save it in GitHub. Next, we're going to create a tag. Go into your repository's history. In this tab, you'll be able to see all of the committed changes you made to this repository. We just made this one here. What we want to do is save a version of the repository at this moment in time. And we'll do that by creating a tag. If you right-click on the version you just made, you can select Create Tag. If this is the version of the assignment you wish to hand in, we'll name it assignment_number.final. When you create this tag on GitHub Desktop, it will only be a local tag, so make sure you click Push Origin to upload that tag to GitHub. And in my GitHub repository, we can see that it's saved that tag. Now the last step is to invite a TA to your GitHub repository. In the Settings tab, in Manage Access, you'll be able to invite a collaborator. Here you can add the TA or professor that is going to mark your work by searching their GitHub username or email. You can also search by their name, but make sure you confirm by the username that it is the person you're looking for. For demonstration purposes, I'll add Professor Knudsen. And that will send him an email that he has to accept before it expires. Here's a screenshot Dr. Knudsen sent me of him commenting on my work. To view comments in your repository, go to the commit history, and you'll be able to see any comments on the commits you've made. And here we can see the comments that Dr. Knudsen shared. And with that, you should have everything you need to share your work with a TA and get full marks for documentation. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time.